The corner of filament, the corner of fun, the filament corner. Alright guys, it is the corner of filament, the corner of fun, the filament corner, and I did it. I printed out another hammer, but laying on the bed. I know it doesn't look too good. I tricked Cura into making it fit, but not the printer. And yeah, well, it's not a good print at all. But we will see if the layer line difference will change nailing into wood. I don't expect this to work, just so you know. So, we got our old nemesis roofing nails. So there's the end of it. But we do have a nail in the wood. But this thing is so light that, you know, it takes a lot of force. I mean, it's going in, but this hammer is just so light. It feels like I'm not getting any like movement on the nail. See, like I feel like I could do this right here, and I would move it better than the actual head. It's just so light of a hammer. And the fact that, well, this whole side has been destroyed basically. I mean, I'm not going to call that a success because I think I'm at the point where I don't have the leverage on this because it doesn't have the weight to put that nail into the wood. I mean, I could probably get it in there, but the effort needed, you know. So yeah, I mean, it got the little ones in there, but it did not get the big one. And of course, you can't get those. I mean, I doubt this will work, but you know, it's something to mess around with. Once again, those don't do nothing. Just look. It's mangled hammer. Not too strong on pulling these nails out, so I'll just be lazy and just nail them in all the way. So yeah, this, you know, this is not going to, this is not going to replace this. I think that's pretty clear here. I mean, you can use this for small nails, maybe, you know. But at the end of the day, it doesn't have the weight of this. And this is a small hammer. Doesn't have the weight of it. Doesn't have the nice see what I'm saying there? Well, what I'm showing you, what I'm saying is this quickly just deteriorated. You know that? It's not. So, we didn't even get one nail in printing it like that. But, you know, I know that the head was much nicer looking. Maybe it would have deteriorated if we'd managed to get a nail in. So yeah, maybe. I don't know. Nice warped hammer, ABS. Too big for the printer, but Cura says it's okay. We just, you know, just had to see how to get how to get a conclusion on if we could do it. Say it's plausible, but with limits. You can do it, but it's not worth doing. That's the best way to put it. You know, you got a kid who wants a toy hammer. Here you go. Maybe he'll get a nail in. Maybe he won't. Depends on how strong this kid is. But yeah. Completely basically knackered, so to say. But as you can see though, it is having layer damage, but it didn't just snap like printing it upright, so yeah, that's it for today, everybody. We got a conclusion to trying to use the printed hammer as a practical hammer. If you like this kind of stuff, feel free to maybe leave a like or share it or subscribe. All that lets me know. And the hammer is on Thingiverse. It's up on Thingiverse. So I don't know. I don't think anybody's going to try to do this. But hey, if you want to, go on ahead. So yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody.